back to the channel. Today we are doing this super fun Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas inspired makeup look. I wanted to do something that you could kind of wear on just a regular day if you wanted, but also to a Halloween party. So if you guys want to see how I got this super cute ombre Sally inspired look, just keep watching. We good. Okay, I'm really sorry you guys. I really need to get my brows done, but honey's broke right now, so the beauty has taken a back burner. All right, so as you guys probably know, Sally's dress has this like patchwork design of yellow, pink, and teal. So it's gonna be a challenge, I feel like, but I'm gonna try and incorporate all three colors. So I'm thinking because of the yellow and pink, they're kind of in the same-ish color family in that they're like warm tones. So I'm thinking if I do like pink that fades to like a little bit of an orangey to a yellow, we can do that. And then maybe like the teal under, I don't know. I'm just gonna start and we're just gonna see how this goes. So I'm using my James Charles Morphe palette. You know, feel how you feel about James Charles, but this is such a good palette to have on hand if you need like anything colorful. He's got options, and I needed the yellow out of this. So we're gonna dip into the yellow. I think it's called like Bumblebee or something to that effect. And I'm going to take this above my crease because this is kind of going to be my lightest like crease color here. So we're just gonna layer this on. I want it to be as vibrant as I can get it. So I'm gonna do this a few times. Okay, that's pretty yellow. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit of this on my lower lashes as well. Just because once I add the teal, to have the yellow on the top and the bottom, I just feel like might tie in, okay, it's funny because you can tell that I use this brush all the time for crease colors because the difference in this yellow mixed with like the browns that I often use to fluff out versus like the yellow I'm getting on the bottom. Oh, I just realized even the difference between this and this. Okay, hold on, let's go. This is why you clean your brushes and also use different brushes for different colors because these are not the same. Okay, we're just working with it. It's gonna be fine. So just sweeping this yellow underneath pretty generously because I want the teal to still like get layered over top of it. I think that's a pretty good yellow. So then I'm actually going to switch to my ColourPop Nightmare Before Christmas palette. This has a really good hot pink in here called Sandy Claus. So we're gonna go in with that, and I'm actually going to literally use my finger that I already dipped into this. Whoo, we're brave. And I'm just gonna start, oh my gosh. That's pigmented. Okay, we're just gonna literally pat this in. Oh my God, I'm making a mess already. Oh no. It's, bro, I literally swear every time I do my makeup versus doing it on camera, like I do it normal and everything goes smoothly. I do it on camera and it's like mayday. Literally. Once we've got the hot pink generously applied to our lids, I'm going to grab another floofy-ish brush like this one. Can you see it? And we're gonna go in with what's this, which is this like orange color that's got the scary teddy stamped into it, which is super cute. And we're going to literally put this right in the crease in between the orange and the yellow so that hopefully we can kind of marry these two colors together into like an ombre-y, sunset-y vibe. LOL, look how much of the pink it rubbed off. Can you guys see that? I hate when that happens, but it's just part of the process. I feel like that's actually looking really cute. Let's try the other side. feel like I messed up in here a little bit, getting it kind of all over the place, but it's fine. Oh my god, those eyes look so different. I'm just gonna beef up the color on this one to match the other side so we're not so uneven. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, we're gonna go back in with the brush that we used for the yellow, and I'm just going to not even put anything on it and like smoke this out a little bit because I feel like I went a little crazy. I also feel like the yellow is getting lost, so we're gonna go back in with the yellow in a second. I just want to get this like a little bit blended because I feel like it's kind of harsh right now. Now let's go back in with the yellow. Getting a pretty generous amount still, and I'm just gonna go back over like the where the orange starts to fade. I'm just gonna beef up the yellow a tad. So we're really getting that true ombre. I hope you guys are seeing what I mean, where it's like pink fading to the orange, fading to the yellow. If you're gonna go as Sally, sometimes you don't wanna like paint your face blue or her like darker tealy, like gaunt color and go crazy. Like I prefer not to do that kind of look. I prefer to do like a makeup look that's kind of an ode to the character without being like full prosthetics, face paint, all that sort of stuff. That's just what I prefer. So hopefully you guys prefer that too, because then this video will actually be helpful. So now a lot of that pink is gone, as you see. So I'm just gonna go back in with my finger and touch it up on my lid just so we get that vibrancy back, because all of that blending kind of took it away a little bit, obviously. Okay, wait, this is really cute. I'm really vibing with this look. I mean, this would be like a cute everyday, not every day. I wouldn't wear this every day, but this is like a cute summery look too. It's giving like sunset on the beach. Then we're going to tightline my upper lash line with some black, just to give our lashes some definition. I have my Hocus Pocus Witching Hour palette, which has this really perfect teal color down here in Fur Black is Black, which is kind of funny because that's not even black, but it's fine. So I'm going to grab a liner brush like this, and I'm just going to like stipple into this color, and I'm going to add it to my lower lash line. Can you guys see this? No. Helpful, Holly. Cool. Ooh, okay. Love that. Fun. Okay. Obviously, you could also use like a teal liner if you have it. That would probably be a less messy option, but I'm working with what I got. And so I'm just gonna also take this, and on sort of the outer corner, I'm just going to soften it a little bit underneath the lash line, if you can see what I mean. Just to provide some dramaticness, especially because I'm going to put on lashes with this look, so it will balance the heaviness of the lashes. I kind of want to add some on the top too, so I'm just going to do that. I mean, it's going to get covered in the lashes, but I feel like it will just bring it all together in my brain. Just a little bit like that. I mean, I feel like if you were dressed as Sally, like this would definitely give Sally vibes. Yes? I don't know. I think so. Okay, last but not least, to finish off the eye shadow part of the look, I'm going to go back into my Night Before Christmas palette, and I'm going to go into this stark white sparkly called Zero. Very appropriately named. And I'm just going to add this right underneath the brow bone to add a little bit of height and lift to my brows. I'm also just going to take a little bit of it and put it on the center corners just to kind of highlight and add that little bit of sparkle that I kind of wanted. Also, yes, I know this is a mess. I will clean it up before the end. Don't worry. Okay, lashes. I'm gonna go put on my lashes and then I'll come back with lashes on. I was telling Zoe that I bought these and my mom was like, those look a little long, but I was like, no, I always buy the wispies because they just like, they say wispies, but they're way longer than I thought. I feel like on camera they don't look too bad, and I feel like they fit like Sally because she's obviously like doll-like and she's got those big lashes. So I think they're fine. It's just the fact that I'm like trying to look like a normal person today and it's not, it is what it is. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with this Revlon. Is this Revlon? Who is this? L'Oreal Glow Paradise lipstick in number 130, which is Nude Heaven. And so like a balmy lipstick. I'm just doing like a nude lip. I definitely feel like you could do something dramatic like a hot pink to tie in the look, but once again, I'm trying to look semi-normal, and like if it was me dressing as Sally, this is just what I would do personally because I just like to have a makeup look that I like, and I just think, I don't know, it's just how I feel, okay? And I'm just gonna add a little bit of gloss on it for some shine. And that's the completed look. I really feel like it's cute. I definitely think it's giving Sally. I think you could add in a little bit more of the teal if you wanted. I was also gonna say another really cute thing you could do is like maybe add some liner with like the stitching, or do like eyeliner using eyeliner, do like stitching like on your forehead, maybe like one on your cheek, and you know what I mean? You could add in like the stitched put together look of her as well if you wanted. So I feel like you could also take this look to like another level for a costume, but I also think as just like a Sally inspired makeup look, it's really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you recreate this look. You can tag me on Instagram and I would love to see it. I really need to go do my hair now because it's literally soaking wet from the shower. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like and hit that big red subscribe button to hang out with me for the rest of Halloween season. We're doing 61 days every single day up until October 31st. So make sure you click that subscribe button, hang around, and let me know if you want to see another fun, spooky makeup look sometime this season. And I'll try and get it done for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!